Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a Scout 2026 305 LXF. We have her equipped in the full brand new Alpine gray with our black accent stripe. Matches beautifully with our black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have the Midnight Edition on this boat, so all the accents will be black, along with our powder coated hardtop. We do have twin V10 Mercury 400 Verados to power this boat as well in black. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the Scout 2026 305 LXF, I'd like to point out a few more key features. Once again, this boat is powered by twin Mercury 400 V10 Verados. Have a nice easy maintenance tab up top right here with this little lever. You can check your dipstick right here, change your oil, and also it has a nice handle, easy disconnect of the cowling if any further maintenance is needed. We move forward, we do have a nice walk-through transom here on the Scout 305. Even with the motors trimmed up, I can walk by. As we enter in on the starboard, we do have a nice little door here to be able to keep in any young children or small pets. We also have cup holders and rod holders lining the transom here as well. We also have a quick connect, easy flush for those Mercury V10 400 Verados. Nice large lounger here. I'm 6'4" for reference, so very nice comfortable seating, nice armrest here, fit you, one other adult, maybe even a small child in between. On the port side here, we do have some nice tackle storage as well. We also have raw water and fresh water on the starboard side. Easy hookup. As we move forward, we do see on the 305 has a very nice dive door. Do have a ladder that is stowed up front. That is easy to install right here and have two access points for the boat itself. As we move in towards the leaning post, see some more rod holders here down below, cup holders, as well as having some nice rocket launchers up top on the hardtop. Also on the leaning post, nice cutting board area, prep station. Also some storage underneath that is drained, and then our freshwater sink, of course. Down below here, we do have a nice pull-out Yeti. Easy access to that, as well as comes with a nice Scout logoed cushion to use as an extra seat if we would like. Over on the starboard side, we do have a trash can. And then on the port side here, we have some nice tackle storage as well. So we move up to the helm of the boat. Nice flip down bolsters on both captain and co-captain seats. Also have some fold down armrests as well. We've got an upgraded black Edison steering wheel on a tilt base. Twin 16-inch Garmin displays. Wireless phone charger. Have our Fusion stereo head system, as well as our Mercury Vessel View screen to be able to display all of our engine data for those V10 400 Verados. We do have AC at the helm, as you see with the vents. Down below in the cabin, we have some AC as well. Got the JPO joystick pilot and operating for those Mercuries, as well as our binnacle here as well. Got some nice hookups for some USBs here, and some nice storage in a cup holder. Up top here, we do have our VHF radio. Got some underside storage here, and also some switching as well. We do have nice JL audio upgraded speakers throughout the boat, including 4 in the hardtop here. As we move forward through the boat, we'd like to point out our battery charger, as well as our head and cabin area down below. Nice full layout area. Be able to get out of the warm sun on those hot days, as well as a nice private head. It's also where our batteries, switches, and keys will be located as well. Also any breakers or anything, so if any troubleshooting will likely begin down there. So we move forward. In addition to recessed cleats, we also have these fender pros Easy clip, quick connect. Back end fenders are out now. Don't have to worry about taking up all your cleats with your lines. As we move forward, nice large lounger here with pulled down armrest. Once again, I'm 6'4" for reference, so this is a very comfortable seat. Would love to hang out in this area. Underneath, very nice storage, as well as storage underneath our seating up here, both with cooler seats, port and starboard. Also have nice deep storage underneath the seat as well. We do have an anchor windlass on this boat. Can be controlled by these foot pedals right here, as well as at the helm. Freshwater connect here to be able to sprints off your anchor chain as it's coming in. We do have bow rod and cup holders for our bow sunshade that comes with the boat. If you'd like to learn more about this Scout 2026 305 LXF or any of the other boats that we carry, please feel free to check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.